Have you ever dared to dream the impossible? Imagine a young woman filled with passion but riddled with doubt. She yearns for the bright lights of Broadway, the thunderous applause, the magic of the stage. But fear whispers in her ear, telling her it's just a fantasy. She pushes the dream away, burying it deep inside. But then she discovers a secret, a powerful force that can reshape her destiny. She learns about the law of attraction. This is the story of her journey, a testament to the power we all possess to manifest our deepest desires. This woman, armed with newfound knowledge and unwavering belief, dares to dream again. She visualizes herself on that stage, feels the energy of the crowd, hears the roar of applause. She embodies the confidence, the talent, the success she craves. And slowly, almost magically, her life begins to shift, aligning with her vision. Doors open, opportunities arise, and she steps boldly into her power. This isn't just a story, it's an invitation. An invitation to unlock your potential, embrace the law of attraction, and become the architect of your own extraordinary life. Our thoughts are more than fleeting notions. They are powerful vibrations that shape our reality. Every thought we have, whether conscious or unconscious, sends a signal out into the universe. And the universe, like a mirror, reflects back what we put out. Think of a time you woke up feeling happy and optimistic. Chances are, your day unfolded with a certain ease and grace. Obstacles seemed smaller, opportunities presented themselves, and you attracted positive interactions. This isn't mere coincidence, it's the law of attraction in action. Now, contrast that with a day clouded by negativity. Remember how challenges seemed insurmountable, setbacks felt personal, and a general sense of heaviness permeated your experiences? Again, this is the law of attraction at work, reflecting back the energy you were projecting. The good news is, once you understand this powerful principle, you can consciously choose the thoughts you entertain and, in turn, design the life you desire. Embrace this knowledge and start shaping your reality today. Before the light of understanding dawned, there was a time when I, too, grappled in the darkness of self-doubt and limiting beliefs. I had a dream, a burning desire to empower others to unleash their full potential. But fear held me captive. I worried about judgment, about failure, about not being good enough. These negative thoughts became self-fulfilling prophecies, creating roadblocks at every turn. My energy dwindled, opportunities seemed to vanish, and my dream felt like a distant star, light years away. It was a painful period of my life, marked by frustration and a sense of powerlessness. I was caught in a vicious cycle, my negative thoughts attracting more negativity, fueling my doubts and pushing me further from my goals. Little did I know, I was standing in my own way, blocking the very abundance I craved. It wasn't until I stumbled upon the transformative power of the law of attraction that everything began to change. This newfound understanding illuminated my path, guiding me towards a brighter future. The law of attraction, at its core, is simple: like attracts like. It operates on the principle that we attract into our lives whatever we focus our thoughts, energy, and emotions on, whether positive or negative. It's not about wishful thinking, it's about aligning your energy with the vibration of your desires. Think of it like a magnet. Just as a magnet attracts metal objects, our thoughts and emotions attract corresponding experiences into our lives. When we focus on negativity, lack, and limitation, we inadvertently attract more of the same. Conversely, when we cultivate thoughts of gratitude, abundance, and possibility, we open ourselves up to a world of limitless potential. This isn't about denying challenges or pretending everything is perfect. It's about shifting our perspective, focusing on what we want, and believing in our power to create it. By consistently aligning our thoughts and emotions with our desires, we can manifest the life we truly want.